Welcome to Design Republic, where your AI design dreams are transformed into bespoke reality. In the realm of modern home furnishings, we're pioneering a unique fusion of innovation and artisanship. Imagine this: you've crafted a unique furniture concept or a decor idea on platforms like Midjourney. That's precisely where Design Republic steps in. With extensive experience in high-end furnishings, we're adept at turning AI-generated visions into custom-crafted masterpieces. Our process marries meticulous analysis with creative flair. We assess your AI designs for feasibility, committing to bring them to life with top-tier materials. Our selection prioritizes sustainability, durability, and elegance. In our workshops, skilled artisans employ precision tools to materialize each design. Every element, from luxurious fabrics to rich woods, is chosen to embody your vision. This is where digital innovation meets traditional craftsmanship, transforming AI concepts into tangible, cherished treasures. At Design Republic, quality isn't just a feature, it's our ethos. Each creation undergoes rigorous quality checks, enduring stress tests for robustness and detailed inspections for flawless finish. Our aim? To ensure each piece isn't just furniture, but a timeless work of art. This transformative journey from a digital blueprint to a physical masterpiece is setting new trends in the FF&E industry. We champion personalized design, ensuring each piece distinctly mirrors individual style and preference. AI technology allows us to tailor these designs effortlessly. Our collaborative spirit extends to designers, developers, and contractors. Together, we refine, adjust, and perfect each design, maintaining harmony and precision at every stage. It's a synergy of creative vision and technical prowess. Turning ambitious AI designs into practical, exquisite pieces is our forte at Design Republic. Our team, rich in custom furniture expertise and backed by a robust supply chain, meticulously realizes each design aspect. And now, an exciting opportunity awaits with our Midjourney Interior Design Contest. We invite you to submit your AI designs for a chance to see them come to life. Our team of experts will handpick the best designs to be transformed into real, functional products. This is more than a contest, it's an invitation to see your creative vision materialized into stunning, functional furnishings. With Design Republic, the gap between digital imagination and real-world excellence is bridged seamlessly. So, send us your designs and let's embark on a journey of extraordinary creation together. At Design Republic, we're redefining creativity and functionality in furniture and decor. Your AI design dreams are just the beginning of our collaboration.